beautiful people, welcome to the channel. In today's video we are hiking. I know this activity will sound strange to some of my Cameroonian subscribers, so let's talk about it briefly. Hiking is simply taking long walks, especially in nature. So you see, most of us have been hiking all our lives, we just don't use the word hiking. Hiking has a lot of benefits. It increases happiness levels and curbs depression, it lowers blood pressure and cholesterol, it helps prevent diabetes and many more. Because I am in Limbe, with the help of Ayota, we decided to go hiking at Limbe's Mabeta hill. Say hi.
Hello, good morning. Still in Limbe, town of friendship.
Okay, so where are we going right now?
We are going just right. I don't know if we can turn. Yeah, turn 360.
Anyway, behind us.
Yes, we are going just right behind us. It's the Mabeta hill, and it's to feel the experience of hiking. It's one of the things that are of interest in the town of Limbe, and it's actually very new. It's not very common, so thanks to our premium YouTuber from Douala, we are going to discover the experience of hiking in Limbe. So stay with us and enjoy. She hasn't even gone half the journey and she's already tired. Right, we are halfway gone, and so far Lorraine has taken off the jacket she put on a little while ago.
Yeah.
So it's just a short distance, barely half a kilometer, and it's above the Mabeta hill. So Mabeta newly out in Limbe, and right behind us, as you can see right down there was a landslide some years back. That was in 2001, around June 2001, and a landslide that cost lives. It had about 3.4 meters depth of landslide, and it was after heavy rains. You know, Limbe is noted for heavy rains because it is close to the second wettest place in the world, that's Dibuncha.
Hey people, I hope you're enjoying the video so far. I just want to come in here to express my gratitude to God for the privilege to be alive. This activity really made me appreciate the glory of God and His creation.
If you have been watching those movies where people are in forest and then things start happening and then they get scared and start running, or why animals start coming from left to right, this is that point where you start having that feeling. The feeling you have when you watch those scenes in movies where they play sound effects and scary things happen. This is the point, because we are about getting there, and so it's getting, the adrenaline is getting high, but we are still together with our premium YouTuber.
Look at how steep that is.
One other thing about hiking is that you should be ready for the wild. If you're scared of crickets, if you're scared of ants, if you're scared of cockroaches in your house, then this place is surely going to scare you, because as you go up, as you go higher, it gets denser. So always prepare your mind for everything that nature has to offer.
Yeah.
We're still up and it's still very steep. So it gets more difficult as we get higher.
Ayota, let's rest. Let's not reach Tole.
Alright, so while Lorraine has decided to take a little rest, I said let me do this short video because we are right here somewhere very interesting. As you can see, there are lots of Indian bamboos behind, and this is literally where people come and get Indian bamboos for different things, constructions, to use for fences and all that. So it's just one of the few resource places for Indian bamboos, and it's not a very vast one. It just pops up on the hill. So many other hills have places like this, and as you can see, it's very wide. It's not as dense as the rest of the forest, so it's also a very good place to rest, because at least when you've meandered through the grasses and the footpaths and you meet somewhere open like this, you can have a little rest, like Lorraine is rightly doing, after which we are going to continue and get up. Hopefully we get to the summit, because the higher we go, the more discouraged we get, but we are hoping to get to the top.
People, so we are going down the hill and we are tired. Thank you for watching and come back for more. Bye. So hiking has come to an end and Ayota and myself are going back home. So which part of the hiking did you like? Please tell me in the comment section. Will you even want to come here? Let's have a discussion. Thank you so much for watching. Ayota, do you have anything to say?
Thank you for visiting Limbe.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. Coming next is a visit to Limbe's Botanic Garden. I love you guys. Bye.